Greetings, O minion. The time has come to give you some instruction. Please follow me. This, dear Walter, is the back porch. Pause for a moment and take in how dark and scary it is. Now, behold! Yes, lay down in its presence. This is the almighty lawnmower. The power it possesses is unmatched. It is your Lord. Arise, Walter. Arise and come with me. This is the outside world. Here is the lawnmower's domain. It stretches beyond infinity. It is more land than you could ever explore in your lifetime. This is the lawnmower's domain. All that reside in it are cut down. Does that not scare you, Walter? Indeed. Quickly, let us get inside. The lawnmower may awaken again, and we do not want to be here when that happens. Flee with me, Walter. Flee! Flee into the safety of the kitchen and reside here for now.